Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name of Cheng Elizabeth. I've come to present on how to use Google Drive. If it's your first time to use Google Drive, you can watch this video. So if you have already signed in Google account, you find that there is some 3 dots here. You click on that dot. It will give you the Google app that the Google has. So we are looking for what? Google Drive. So Google Drive is this one. Then you click on it. Actually, Google Drive is very important. It helps you to organize your work in the cloud, and the files and the folders doesn't get lost, and you can easily access it from anywhere. So if you have never signed in Google Drive, you just have to sign in. So that is about Google Drive. So for me, I've already signed in, and then I want to use the Google Drive. So you can see, you can use the Google Drive by signing in. So you first have to sign in when you sign out. So me, I'm signing in. So I'm going to use my password, that is Gmail. So after signing in, your Google Drive will open like this. So in Google Drive, it helps you to create what? Create files. Like for example, I've created this one: BIOS folder, physics folder, chemistry folder. So if you want to add more files, come to new. You can upload files or new folder. So we're going to create a new folder. Come to new, then you write the title of the folder. For example, we put it pictures. Then you create. So the folder has been created here as what? Pictures, as you can see. Then you can create more. Just come, create new folders like that. And then if you want to organize your files, or you want to upload files, so you come here, you click on uploading files. So the files will open, so you just be uploading them. Maybe you come to documents, you look for the files you have. For example, this one, cell movement. You open it and it will upload. As you can see it down here, it's starting to upload one item, and it's uploading already. So you can cancel, you not allow it to upload. So it's uploading this document. So you can wait it to upload. Then if you want to upload pictures, you come here, come to file, you look for pictures from here, pictures like this one, pictures. Then you click on that one, open, then you upload this. And see, I'm uploading this picture. So I've already uploaded these 2 things. So I want to organize my files. So I can come down here. I pick this cell membranes. I drag it into the folder that I want it to be. So I drag it to the one I want it to be in. You come here, you drag cell membranes. I want it to be here in BIOS. Then you have organized your file already. Then if I want to draw, you can see has been copied. You can undo it. And then these are pictures. I want to upload this picture, which is this one. I want to upload it in my pictures here. And you can see I've already uploaded it. So you can also type your work from here. You can modify. You can send it to people. You can see the people I can send my work to. The file I want to share to this person, this person, this person. These are the people I can share my work to. These are the sources: Gmail or Google Meet. I can organize my drive in this form or in this plain form, or I make it scattered the way you can see it right now. Then you can come to setting. You can set it the way you want it to be. You can see, you can make it dark mode. Any way you want your Google Drive to appear, you can set it that way. So you can also see those being the works that you have deleted. Assuming I come to my drive, then I see there are some folders I don't want here. For example, these pictures, I come and re-download or move it to dustbin. That is about Google Drive. So thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.